Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Let's just jump right into it and look through a stack of kind of bills I've gotten over the last day or two and see if we find anything worth more than face value or is, well, at least collectible, right? That's the great thing and the best thing about this hobby is the worst case scenario, you look through your bills, you don't find anything that's worth more than, in this case, $5, and you still have a $5 bill or the money you started with, right? So you can't say that about a bunch of other hobbies, and that's what makes collecting currency really fun and worth it. First bill we didn't really find anything on. We'll jump to the next one, 2013 Series $5 note. A couple zeros in the beginning. Unless it's 4 or more zeros, I don't consider them a low serial number. Yeah, nice depiction of the Lincoln Memorial, but nothing going on the back of the note. Ooh, I saw something peeking out on that other one. Nice. 2017 A series. 0 to... nothing in the serial number here. Nothing going on there. Next note. I saw this kind of peeking out just a second ago when I moved to the last one. Nice little star note, despite being a little beat up. Nice fold down the middle, but I love me some star notes. It's a 2013 series. It's not going to be a duplicate note, but still really cool. A little bit of an over ink on this 9 as well. So kind of a fun serial number aside from the star note, and this one is kind of printed a little weird. Nothing date note wise or collectible in the serial number aside from the star note, but replacement notes are really, really fun. And I'll set that aside. I love me a star note. Couple of 9s going on, 2013 also. And nothing else in the serial number. Same Federal Reserve Seal District. And nothing really on the back. Don't get confused with this down here. It's just a wet ink transfer or kind of like an excessive ink going through from the front of the note. Lots of 4s going on, but not enough repetition for me to hold on to. And then somebody wrote this big old 30 across it. And a little too beat up on the back to see if there's anything going on. 2013 series. Probably one of the most common you'll see aside from 2017A, really, is what I come across, but 2017 in general. A little bit of folding action, but not like a fold over error. That'd be worth hundreds. If you're interested in the errors defined on banknotes, I have a video, a couple of them really, that cover the different errors to look for while bill searching. And then aside from that, shifts in the print, misprinted portions of the note, miscuts on the entire note, as well as fancy serial numbers or pattern serial numbers are really collectible. So birthday notes and kind of cool repetitious numbers, binary notes, which is just 2 digits in them. Those are really collectible. 2017 A series. With $10 notes, they redesigned them in the early 2000s, so there's a few things that aided in kind of misprint areas or possible error kind of locations on the note, being within the repetitious tens here, anti-counterfeiting measure called Urian. And then kind of where the intricate detail is on the depiction of the U.S. Treasury on the back, you can get some kind of funky ink issues going on, as well as some blurring of the darker portions, the shadow portions of the United States of America lettering. But nothing going on there. Getting down there, the last few, so hopefully you had fun just kind of looking at stuff, and we found a little star note action. 2013 series note. A little shift up in the seal, but not enough to hold on to. Keep an eye out for that kind of stuff. And a bit beat up on the back there. Little shift over, but again, unless it's sitting off the word 1 or kind of obscuring the word Washington or another portion, wouldn't call that an error. This one's really beat up and folded horizontally and vertically and a whole bunch of different, every single way. For a second there, I thought we had a little misprint above that 93 indication there. Last few, I think we're down to the last 4 or 5, folks, so it's been a good one. A little bit of 9s, a little bit of 0s, but not enough repetition to hold on to. 2017A. Nice tear right in the top of it. Conditions 9/10 of the law when it comes to really any collectible. In this case, currency, you know, you can find something that is collectible, but it definitely depletes the value quite a bit, diminishes the overall profit or value above face value of the note when it comes to poor condition. So, you know, the best way to really solidify value is to get things graded. So the higher it's going to be able to come back from getting graded, the more money you can make. Yeah, 5150, 1811. Yeah, nothing going on there. Nice clean printed back though. Probably one of the nicer condition reverses of the notes we've had so far. Last but not least, got ourselves a little bit of wonkiness right on those 3s there. The last 4 digits are printed a little bit high on this 2017 series note. Let's look at the back. Nothing really jumping out at me too much. So a small find for this bill search. Nice little star note. It is beat up, but I love me some star notes. Hopefully you had better luck in your bill search or coin searches, comic book searches, vinyls, dolls, whatever it is you collect. I love me a fellow collector, so it's been so much fun meeting you guys via this channel, Facebook, as well as conventions and stuff up and down the East Coast. Let me know in the comments what you've come across in your coin and bill searches lately. I love reading about that, and stay tuned for more videos on anything from Legos to comics to coins to banknotes and all that fun stuff. Appreciate you coming to the video. Thanks for sharing the love. Hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.